Hi everyone! If you like fresh rice noodles or河粉and can't find it where you live, then you're in the right place. Today we're making fresh河粉from scratch, and it's not as hard as you think. So let me show you how. There are just a couple of ingredients that you'll need. Logically, the first ingredient is rice flour, and not glutinous rice flour. The second is potato starch. Tapioca starch is also okay here, but I find it makes the final product too chewy. I prefer my rice noodles softer, so if you're like me, use potato starch instead of tapioca starch, or use a combination of the two. Then add a sprinkle of salt and water and mix to combine. You're looking to have a consistency of thick cream, and leave it to rest for 20 minutes before cooking. To cook it, you'll need a shallow dish or pan that will fit easily into your steamer. Brush the bottom with a layer of oil and then ladle enough of the mixture to thinly coat the dish. Stir up the mixture each time you do this to make sure everything is mixed up. Then place the dish on a flat surface where it can be steamed with the lid on. Here I've made use of my wok and a metal rack. Then steam on high for a couple of minutes. When it's cooked, lift the lid, remove the dish, and brush some oil on the top of the steamed noodle to prevent them from sticking together. And then with a spatula, carefully peel the noodle away from the dish. Repeat this process and stack the noodle sheets on top of one another. It's definitely a bit time consuming, but if you have a couple of suitable dishes or pans, it would speed up the whole process. These fresh rice noodles are best when eaten on the same day it's made. Don't put them in the fridge because once you do, they become really brittle. When all the noodle sheets have been steamed, use a knife or a rolling cutter to cut the sheets into strips. Then, separate the strips piece by piece, and your fresh rice noodles are made. They're soft and slightly chewy and can be enjoyed in so many different ways. If you want to know how to use these noodles, please check out my beef chowfen recipe. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more. And as always, check out my blog for the full written recipe. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.